You're welcome to Kami Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have some juices. Okay, so today we are going to learn how we can generate a realistic image using Grok. You heard me, Grok. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to go to our Chrome browser. This is our Chrome browser. Click on it, and we're going to type what Grok AI. So here is Grok, grok.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, it opens. Okay, so it opens to this. So one thing is to ensure to sign in with your Gmail. Yeah, when you click on it and it wants you to sign in with your Gmail is not wrong. Then you can open here. If you want to open here, you open if you have the app. But I don't have the app on my phone. I just want to be using their site, so you can open their site. So here is the interface that we are going to work on. So what we are going to do now is to bring in the image you are going to use for this image generation. So I'll go to this clip icon, I'll click on it, I'll go to upload file. So once I click on upload file, I'll go to my photo and devices. Once it's open, I'll go to my images. So I'm going to be using the one of this image, this. So because I want it to be more realistic, I want to add one of my images too. So one has finished uploading, so I'm going to be uploading another one. So I'll click on it again, then go to upload file. Then I want to select one of my pictures again. So I'm going to be using this. Yes, this. So I'll click on it, allow it to load. Okay. So it has finished loading. So I want to use two of my pictures. So the next step is to what? To go and get the prompt I'm going to use. So we're going to generate two images in this video. So stay tuned. So I'll minimize this. Then so here is the prompt I want to use for this image generation. So I'll select the first one. So here is the prompt. So I'll be attaching this prompt, the two prompts that I use for this image generation in the comment section. In case that you are interested, you can copy it and use it to generate yours. So I've copied it, then I'll minimize, then go back to Grok. I'm going to be pasting. I'll paste the first prompt. So what I'm done pasting is I'll click on this good icon. I'll click on it. Then you wait. Once you click on it, you wait. So you are meant to generate at least three pictures. Then after that, you wait for 2 hours for it to give you another free mode to use. Okay, so that is perfect. Then you wait for it to generate. Okay, so it's already generating. So let's wait and see the image that is able to generate. Okay, so here is the first image that was generated for us. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to click on download. Okay, it has finished generating, so you see that this image actually resemble me. Okay, so I'm going to click on download. Okay, I'll click on download and it automatically be downloaded to my images. So for the second one, I'm going to copy the prompt of the second image that I want us to generate. So I will press down. This is the notepad of my phone, so I'm going to copy. Then I move back to Grok. So I'm going to paste the image, paste it. Then I'm going to go to this clip icon. You upload a file, upload a picture that you want. Okay, so I want to use only this. Okay, okay, wait for it to upload. So let me attach the second picture for more clarity. You can use only one picture if you want, that's fine. For me, I just want to use two of my pictures. Okay, so I've uploaded two of my pictures, so I'll click on this good icon now. So let's wait for it to generate. So remember that once it gives you the daily limit, you're going to wait for like 2 hours, then you come back again to generate. So you see this one. So this is the second one I was able to generate. So I'll click on what? Download. And it automatically downloads to my gallery. So I'll click on open. So I see the picture I generated. Yeah, so that's it. So go to your Grok AI, look for a lot of prompts and generate your image. So if you like this video, click the like button, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Remember that I'll be dropping the two the two prompts in the comment section. I'll be pinning it. So I would like to see yours. Thank you.